And while there are tributes to honor martyrs, reforms for servicemen seem far from reality on the ground, like the one rank, one pension scheme, a bold promise made by the BJP last year. Now, as the protests for the implementation of the scheme gain momentum, social activist Anna Hazare is joining the cause, with ex-servicemen protesting against the centre at Jantar Mantar today. Anna Hazare, and an army veteran himself, though, has already announced launching an indefinite fast on October 2nd in Delhi over the land bill and to press for the one rank, one pension scheme's implementation. Anna Hazare will also be attending an event where widows and mothers of martyred defence personnel will be honoured at a function to mark the Kargil Vijay Divas, following which he is scheduled to meet Delhi Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal at the Maharashtra Sadan.
जब हम इलेक्शन में जनता को आश्वासन देते हैं और उसका पालन नहीं करते, इसका स्पष्ट मतलब है कि आपने आश्वासन दिए थे सिर्फ वोट के लिए कि हमें वोट मिलना चाहिए बस। अगर सही आपके दिल में होता तो इसको इतना समय क्यों लगना था?
One rank, one pension has been an issue for which veterans have in fact been fighting for years. But this year the protest has in fact been amplified to a large extent, and today here on a Sunday morning in Delhi there has been a run which was organized by the veterans. We are joined by some of them here at the India Gate. Sir, your run has in fact converged to this spot, but you're moving on from here to Jantar Mantar as well. What's the plan for today?
Well, planned, we came here to pay respects to our martyrs. 523 of them laid down their lives for protecting the integrity and sovereignty of the nation. Today is Kargil Vijay Divas. We have paid our respects here. Now we are running back to Jantar Mantar, where we will start our hunger strike again. Other people who are already on hunger strike, and this is a really hunger strike going on. 10:30, Shri Anna Hazare, who is also one of our ex-servicemen, he will be coming and he'll be blessing the people on, or encouraging them who are on hunger strike. We have only one agenda. Today, we are paying respect to our martyrs. Two, we are requesting our Prime Minister, don't allow the soldiers to be on the road. We are there to fight for the nation and not sit down on the road to demand what was legitimate to us.